Hello students, this is Swati Deshpande teacher. I hope you all are studying well, right? Okay. See, today I will be making a video on difficulty solving. Few students had asked me certain questions. I thought अगर मैं वीडियो करूँगी तो मुझे अच्छी तरह से एक्सप्लेन करना मुमकिन होगा. इसके लिए I am trying to explain all those difficulties in this video. Okay, so let us begin. I have written two sums on the board, so read them properly. The area of a rectangle with breadth 8 meter is 15 meters square, more than that of a square with side 9 meter. What is the length of the rectangle? Okay, as I tell you always, whatever information has been given to you, analyze that. See, here what is given? The area of a rectangle with breadth 8 meter. एक rectangle है, breadth is ये छोटा वाला, that is 8 meter. This is given and this is asked. We are supposed to find out the length of that particular rectangle. और इसकी area is 15 meters square more than that of a square. ये अगर स्क्वायर है उसका एरिया जितना है उससे 15 मीटर इसका ज्यादा है. स्क्वायर का साइड दिया है 9 मीटर. वी नो द एरिया ऑफ अ स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला. इन केस यू डोंट नो, सी माय एरिया वाला वीडियो. इट इज साइड स्क्वायर, दैट इज साइड इनटू साइड. साइड दिया है 9, so 9 square, that is 81 meter square. If you write here meter, 2 marks gone. Meter square, area is always in squares. So इसकी area मिल गई 81 meter square. They are saying this is 15 meter square more than that of a square. So area of a rectangle will be 81 plus 15, that is 96 meter square. Now, area of a rectangle का formula क्या होता है? Why I am writing this formula? Because we need to find out the length. That's why. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Area of a rectangle we know 96. Length we don't know. Breadth we know 8. Now here we need to find out length. So I am going to leave that alone here. This into, that is multiplication by 8, will be division by 8 here. So 8 is equal to length. Therefore length is equal to 96 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. 1 बचा तो 1 को 6 attach किया 16. 8 2s are 16. So 12 meter is the answer. The length of that particular rectangle has to be 12 meter. Let's go ahead. 1/3 of a number is 33. Find number. See, whatever is given in English, we need to translate that mathematically. 1/3 of a number is 33. So इसका हम value find out करना है. So I am going to leave that alone. So this 1/3 will go there as 3/1. Box will remain here. 33 पहले से है. 1/3. This 3 is down, so it will go up. 1 is up, so it will go down. So it will be in short 3/1. So it is, when nothing is there, it is always upon 1, which we don't write. No need to write. But in case you are getting confused, you write. So you will know 33 is on top, 3 is also on top. So 33 into 3 is 99 upon 1, that is 99. So box का value आ गया 99. Have you understood? Okay, you pause the video, see that again, revise that, so all your difficulties are solved. Okay, let's begin with next. Okay बच्चे लोग, ये particular sum पढ़ो पहले. When a shirt is sold for ₹400, the profit earned is 3/8 times of the selling price. What is the cost price of the shirt? For any this kind of transaction, you can have selling price, you will have cost price and profit or loss. In this case it is profit. So we have only three things: SP, that is selling price, cost price and profit. Selling price क्या दिया है? Shirt is sold for ₹400. So selling price is 400. Profit earned is 3/8 times. Times means into of selling price. So profit कैसे find out करना है? 3/8 times selling price. इधर कुछ नहीं मतलब upon 1. So 8 ones are 8, 8 5s are and 0. So 3 into 50, that is 150 is the profit. And we know the formula. If we want to find out this cost price, which formula should we use? CP is equal to SP minus P. Selling price minus profit. Selling price कितना है? 400. Profit कितना है? 150, which we have found out. So CP, that is cost price, is 250 rupees. This is the answer. Cost price of the shirt is rupees 250. We have just used the information given in this sum, and with the help of this one formula we have arrived at the answer. Okay, let's go ahead. This one big number, if we want to write in words, I have told you in my reading and writing numerals का जो वीडियो है उसमें मैंने properly explain किया है. In case you have not seen, see that video. Okay, so I am writing it here. Units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores and abja. So this is 2 abja, 53 crores, 53 crore, 73 lakh, 49,000, 205. प्रॉपरली हेडिंग लिखने के बाद, उनके प्लेसेस लिखने के बाद ये अपना काम वेरी इजी हो जाता है. 2 अब्जा 53 करोड़, 53 3 लिखा नहीं मैंने इधर, 53 करोड़, 73 lakh, 49,205. This is what is the answer of this particular sum. Students, चलो आगे बढ़े. Okay students, read this particular sum properly. 240 notebooks were purchased at ₹300 per dozen and sold at a profit of ₹36 per dozen. What is the profit? 240 notebooks were purchased. See, everything is given about dozen. Purchase का भी रेट डजन का दिया है, प्रॉफिट का भी 36 rupees per dozen दिया है. So let us convert this 240 notebooks in the form of dozens. How can we do that? 1 dozen means 12, you all know. So when we want to convert 240 notebooks into dozen, we need to divide this by 12. Answer is 20 dozen. In short, whenever 240 notebooks is written, we can write 20 dozen. Okay. Now, purchase rate क्या था? ₹300 per dozen and sold at a profit of ₹36 per dozen. Students, be careful. What is the profit पूछा है? So we need to concentrate only on profit. Profit per dozen कितना था? 36 rupees. वैसे कितने डजन का ये हो रहा है सब? 20 डजन का. So total profit will be 36. एक डजन के लिए 36 rupees ज्यादा मिला, प्रॉफिट मिला. So 20 डजन के लिए कितना होगा टोटल प्रॉफिट? 36 into 20. So answer is 720. Here we are not making use of this information at all. It is not required. Okay, it is not required at all, because whatever information they have given other than this is sufficient for me to arrive at the answer. Profit per dozen दिया है 36 rupees. Total how many dozens are we taking care of? 20 dozens. So multiply 36 into 20 rupees 720 is the profit. Okay? चलो आगे बढ़िए. Read this carefully. How many years will be required to double the principal amount of rupees 5,000 by simple interest at the rate of 4% per annum? Students, here what is troubling you is this word double. Why should you be afraid of this word? What is given to you? Write that. Principal amount दिया है, P is 5,000. R दिया है 4. Years पूछा है, right? And they are asking. Okay. What else have they given? They are saying this principal will be double. Principal will be double means 5,000 का 10,000 हो जाएगा. Double हो जाएगा. Total money. Total money means amount. Principal is the initial amount. P will become double. That double thing is known as amount. So amount is 10,000. Double हो गया. क्यों डबल हो गया? इसमें क्या ऐड हो गया? उसके लिए ये अमाउंट हो गया इंटरेस्ट. बिकॉज ए यू नो ए इज इक्वल टू पी प्लस आई. पी 5,000 है, ये अभी हम लोगों ने 10,000 निकाला. व्हाई? बिकॉज इंटरेस्ट 5,000 इज एडेड. सो पी प्लस आई विल गिव यू दिस ए. सो पी इज 5,000, सो आई ऑल्सो मस्ट बी 5,000. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव गॉट दिस 10,000. नाउ वी हैव everything whatever is required. We have P, we have R, we have I. I is equal to 5,000. ये भी हम लोगों ने निकाला with the help of this 10,000. So what is the formula of number of years? N. I into 100. In case you don't know this, there is my video on simple interest that will definitely help you. Go and watch that, okay? Later. P into R. I कितना है? 5,000 into 100 upon principal भी 5,000 है into R 4. ये 5,000 इसके साथ चला जाएगा. 4 और 100 का division 25. So 25 years is the answer. Very very interesting sum. Okay. I hope you all have understood this. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, students, observe this sum. They have given this sum in Devanagari script. So first I would suggest you translate this in international numerals. 3, because you are used to that. You are very comfortable with international numerals. So always avoid doing anything in Roman, anything in Devanagari. Always convert that into international and then do the sum and then again go back to the whatever script they have asked the question. Okay. So 36360 divided by 90 minus 60. This conversion, if you go wrong, then no use doing the sum. You are not going to get correct answer. So always translate it properly. Okay. Bodmas rule. First you need to do this. 36360 divided by 90. I am writing it this way. 1 0 gone. 9 ones are 9. 9 fours are 36. Now here be careful. Don't cancel this 36 and write 4. 44. No. Here I can make use of only 3. But 3 से कुछ काम नहीं हो रहा है. I need to attach 6 to this 3. But I have to first give 0 here. And then 4. Okay. So ultimately the answer is 404. Now you do 60 minus. So that is 344. This 0 will decide whether you will get 2 marks or no. If you are not comfortable division ऐसा करने में confidence नहीं है तो you can do normal division. But your answer has to be 404. This 0 is the deciding factor, remember. So answer is 344. Very simple sum, but probability of making mistake is more in these kinds of sums. Okay. Next sum, read it carefully. The same digit occurs in boxes in the number 34, box 78. The difference in the place value of those digits is 5400. Which digit should replace the boxes? This sum should take 5 seconds, not more. Why and how, I will tell you. See, when you have any number with two blanks, इधर दो ब्लैंक्स हैं और उन्होंने बोला है ये दोनों जगह पे सेम डिजिट आएगा, ओके, तो यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट द वर्ड डिफरेंस इन दिस सम विच इज देयर. यस, डिफरेंस है. अभी ये दोनों का काम हो गया. इसने बताया कि डिफरेंस ढूंढो, वर्ड ढूंढा. डिफरेंस वर्ड ढूंढने के बाद इसका भी काम हो गया. नाउ व्हाट विल हेल्प यू इज दिस. This number will help you. In this also, only the highest place value wala digit, that is which is in the left, extreme left, 5. 5 ले लो, उसमें एक ऐड करो, 6. Your answer is 6. Isn't it easy? This is the shortcut method or the shortest way of solving this sum. You can do it. I have seen students trying all the options given. They will get the answer, but time consumption will be 10 times than this, which we cannot afford, right? See, you try this. अगर इधर 6 डालोगे, see 34 box 78 दिया है, right? अभी हम लोगों ने फाइंड आउट किया कि इधर 6 आएगा, 6 आएगा. इसका प्लेस वैल्यू कितना है? 6000, 6000, so 6000. इसका कितना है? 600, 600. इसका डिफरेंस minus 5400, which is given. See what we did? We did not see 6 will be there as one of the option, 5 will be there, 4 will be there. Students will put 5, 5, 4, 4, and then fourth option may be 6. That time they will try 6. So much time they will waste. So what you do? Take this number, take the first number, add 1 to it. Your answer is ready. Isn't it interesting? Okay, बच्चे लोग, let's go ahead. Okay, students, read this sum very very carefully. How many times is the place value of the digit 2 than that of the digit 8 in the number? 34,32,058. Okay. How many times is the place value of digit 2? Digit 2 का place value कितना है? 2000. And digit 8 का it's in the units place, so 8. Than वाला number digit 2 will be on top, than that of the digit 8. Than वाला number नीचे जाएगा. So 2000 will be on top, 8 will be down. Digit 2 than that of the digit 8. Than वाला नीचे. Sorry. So let's go ahead. I am dividing it. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 4 बचा, 4 को ही 0 अटैच किया, so 40. 5s are 40 and then 1 0 is left. So 250 times is the answer. Very very easy. जो पहले बोला है वो ऊपर, बाद में वाला डिजिट का प्लेस वैल्यू डाउन. Here in this case luckily it was units, so very small number. Okay. Next one. The simple interest on some principal for 3 years at 12 PCPA is rupees 5400. What is the principal? Principal पूछा है, क्या क्या दिया है वो फाइंड आउट करेंगे. The simple interest on some principal for 3 years, ये सब बात कर रहे वो सिंपल इंटरेस्ट के बारे में ही है. सो इवन दो सिंपल इंटरेस्ट वर्ड इधर है और 5400 इधर है, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट की अमाउंट ही ये है. हैव यू लर्न्ड सब्जेक्ट प्रेडिकेट इन इंग्लिश? वर्ब इधर है, सो ये पूरा सब्जेक्ट ही है. द सिंपल इंटरेस्ट ऑन सम प्रिंसिपल, प्रिंसिपल मालूम नहीं, फॉर 3 years, n is 3, 12 PCP है, r is 12, सो n मालूम है, ओके लिख देती हूँ 3, r कितना है 12. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट is 5400, I is 5400, P पूछा है. I have told you in my simple interest video, out of these 4 things, 3 will be given to you. They have given 3. Fourth one find out करना. Very easy. So P का formula क्या है? P is equal to I into 100 N into R. I कितना है? 5400 into 100 upon N is 3, R is 12. So let us do it. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24 and then 2 zeros. 12 ones are 12, 12 you can do it by 2, you can do it by 3, you can do it by 6, doesn't matter. I am doing it right away with 12 so that my steps are reduced. 5s are okay 150. So what is remaining? 150 into 100. So 150 into 100. That is 1000, no, 15,000 is the answer. 15,000 should be your principal. Okay, bachcho, whatever you had asked me, your difficulties, I have tried to cover them here in this video. In case still if you have any queries, doubts, then you put them in the comment section. I will try to answer them. Okay, I hope this is sufficient for you. So we will stop today. I will come very soon with the next video. Okay, study well and most importantly, enjoy studying. Bye bye.